In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the default username and password for your Tenda router. Start by looking at the label on the back or bottom of your router. This sticker has plenty of important information about your router. Find a section titled Router Login or something like that. By default, the username and password are both admin. You'll need to enter this login information on the router's login page. If you can't find the login details on the label, try using admin as both the username and password. Sometimes these login details might not work. In this case, you must reset the router to the factory settings. For a full guide on resetting your Tenda to its factory settings, don't forget to check out my other video. And then try to enter again. It will definitely help you. After you reset the router to its factory settings, you'll have to set it up again. You can find a tutorial on how to do this in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment.